And welcome back to my morning report analysis videos on Friday 1st of December with me, Rich Pair Market Analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at euro dollar, which is an interesting chart today because we saw a strong positive candle yesterday. That came despite the fact that the dollar was broadly strong against the majors. Dollar's sort of unwound a bit today, but the euro dollar, initially gaining strength, has sort of pulled back a little bit. It seems as though the euro dollar is sort of fighting sort of two battles really. It's just a very difficult and interesting move actually, because you've got this uptrend channel that initially looked as though it was breaking down yesterday, and then euro found support really strongly and then rallied over 100 pips from that low. It's about sort of 95 pips off that low now, but yeah, rallied over 100 pips off that low. And that was even in front of the fact that tax reform started to get delayed a little bit. And now, as the dollar has come under pressure as treasury yields have fallen, the euro dollar has also fallen. So it's a bit odd, actually, at the moment, euro dollar. But it is holding back above 1880. And 1880 had looked to be an initial resistance forming in the last couple of days, but then broke out on an intraday basis. And now that's forming as support. So 1880, let me show you. 1880, initially resistance a couple of days ago, and then it has now subsequently become supportive. So that is your level to watch, 1880, on a near-term basis, I think. But you've still got this uptrend intact. You only had sort of a brief foray below that before unwinding and pulling quite strongly higher. But the market has just dropped away again, interestingly. So the market is sort of really undecided as to how to play this at the moment. I still think tax reform is going to be key to euro dollar, and exactly how and whether it can hold on to that 1805 area of support will be very interesting, I think. If that is the case, then we could see a continued move higher, but that support of the uptrend channel today comes in at 1835. So over to tax reform, really, I think, to drive this market. But momentum remains strong at the moment, and if that continues to be the case, then ultimately euro dollar will be pulling higher, but on a technical basis, because the momentum indicators and trend lines are pretty strong still. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.